Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today for the first time we are looking about a picnic here it is. I'm gonna show you guys all my ingredients that I'm gonna use on it. So this is my sorry that I'm gonna look after. I'm gonna draw my sorry. This is the orange juice that it's gonna bake in for approximately 2 hours. This is my pineapple for decoration. Cherries for decoration. And this is the aluminum foil that I'm gonna use to cover it. And this is the baking tin, yeah. Brown seasoning, onions. So I'm gonna look about some gongo peas rice. So this is my coconut. These are the thymes. Pineapple juice for the sauce for the This is the bungo, ginger for the sorrel. And last but not least, this is our Scotch bonnet peppers. And guys, pepper is very expensive. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peppers for like 500. They say it's 5,000 Jamaican dollars JMB for just 1 pound of pepper. So yeah, we are gonna start looking after our so I'm just gonna give it another wash it thoroughly. So I'm gonna wash my thyme. We're gonna use some pimento, and this is our cloves. The thyme inside the baking tin. So we're just going to add some cloves to our We're going to coat them in like this. This is about like 9 or 10 pounds of So we're just gonna poke our cloves into the So we're just gonna let our oven preheat at 350 degrees. So I'm just trying to light the oven. We're having some issues lighting the oven because it's the first time lighting this oven. So we're having some issues. So guys, we're going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees. Yep. And we're going to bake our at 350 degrees for 2 hours. This is how it's looking so far. I'm poking my cloves, yeah. As I say guys, it's the first time I'm doing ham. And guys, by the way, this is a smoke ham, so trust the process. I'm trusting the process myself too, because it's the first time I'm going to do this. So I finished poking my cloves. This is what the ham is looking like now. When it's done, I'm going to take off the skin right here. Yes, I'm going to put it to bake for 2 hours, and then I'll come back and give you guys the result and make the sauce for the ham. So I'm going to add some orange juice to my fresh ground thymes and cloves and pimento. So I'm going to put in my ham. I'm going to put my ham into this right here. And I'm going to use my foil paper. I'm going to use my foil. Cover it nicely. So I'm just gonna slide it in the oven, well nice and covered. Look like it can't hold in the oven, so I'm gonna try to use this. All in the oven, guys. So I'm going to try to use the thing that comes with the oven. Let's see if it works. Oh my god. Look at this. Ooh, too flat. Nevertheless, I'm going to try and see if this is flat, but I'm going to try and see if it works. This is our only solution, so I'm going to try it in this. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to let it sit and bake for 2 hours on 350 degree. So come back for part 2. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, this cooking video. So come back for part 2 where I show you guys where I make the sauce and how it turned out. Okay.